Bismillah ar-Rahman Rahim. Good afternoon, boys. Thank you so much for your participation during the class. Let us summarize all the important points that we have learned in today's lesson. So, in our previous class, we finished the first part of this lesson, extreme weather, on page number 96. Today, we started from page number 97. So, work with a partner, answer these questions. Here we have 6 questions. Why is there more interest today in extreme weather? So let us see the answers of these questions. To answer first question, because there have been a lot of heat waves, flood, hurricanes, tornadoes, and droughts in recent years. That's why that we can see the extreme weather. There's a lot of interest in today's about the extreme weathers. All right. So second question, what has happened to the temperature of the Earth? What has happened to the temperature of the Earth? That the average global temperature has risen by zero point 0.5 centigrade in each year. So it's the result of global warming. So what's the connection between the oceans getting warmer and heavier rainfall? The connection between the global warming, that the oceans get warmer, more moisture evaporates into the air, which produce more rainfall. The answer, question number 3. And what effect does global warming have on dry areas? Global warming makes dry areas even drier and can turn them into deserts. Question number 5, here we have, why is the layer of gases around the earth is necessary? The layer of gases, which is called atmosphere, right, around the earth forms a protective layer and keeps the earth at the right temperature for animals, plants, and humans as well. So, number 6, that what caused too much global warming? The increase in carbon dioxide from the fuel we use makes the layer of gases around the earth thicker. So, too much heat is kept in the Earth's atmosphere, as we have seen in the question number 2, that the temperature has risen by zero point 0.5 centigrade in each year. Then we have use of English here is a present, simple, active, and passive in scientific writing. So here's an example. First, let's see. In scientific and technical writing, the passive is often used. This is because we focus on the action, not the person or the thing that does the action. So here see in the uh, present simple active, the as the Earth's ocean become warmer, more moisture evaporates into the air. So you can see here the example of active and passive in scientific writing. So let us continue with the question number 4 for your further understanding. Here we can see the complete the sentences using the present simple. Put one verb in the active and one in the passive. So sounds are made when objects vibrate. So here the first part you can see that we changed make into made, and vibrate is the same. So when water heated, we will change heat into heated 200 centigrades, it boils, right? And let's see the further 3, 4, 5, and 6 as well. So when water is heated, it evaporates. Water becomes ice when it is cooled to 0 centigrade. A liquid evaporates into a gas, which is when it is heated. And when metals are heated, they expand. This is the answer of question number 4. Then let us listen an audio track.
Track 23.
1. Lightning and thunder always go together, because thunder is the sound that is made by lightning. This means that lightning is always followed by thunder. When a thunderstorm is a long way away, you see the lightning, but you might not hear the thunder. 2. Lightning is very, very hot. When it passes through the atmosphere, the air is heated very quickly and expands. The sound of the air expanding is called thunder. 3. Thunderstorms happen more often in hot climates and more often in summer than in winter. 4. The temperature of lightning is measured in degrees Celsius. Lightning is close to 30,000 degrees Celsius. 5. When you see lightning, start counting 1, 2, 3 for each second. Continue counting until you hear thunder. 3 seconds equals about 1 kilometer. So if you count to 6, the storm is about 2 kilometers away. But if you only count 1 or 2 seconds before you hear thunder, the storm is very close. Take care.
All right, guys. So here we came to know about some facts about thunder and lightning. Let us answer these questions. In a thunderstorm, is lightning always followed by thunder? So let's see the answer of this question. Yes, absolutely. And number two, how is the noise of thunder produced? Lightning is very hot, and when it passes through the atmosphere, the air is heated very quickly and it expands. So the sound of air expanding is called thunder, right? And number three is, do thunderstorm happen more often in hot climates than in the cold climates? Yes, absolutely. Thunderstorms more oftenly happen in the hot climate. And number four, the sound of thunder is measured in decibels. On average, it's about 120 decibels. So what is the temperature of lightning measured in, and how hot is it? So as we listen in the audio track, the lightning is measured in degrees Celsius, right? And it is about 30,000 centigrade. And number five here, how do you tell how far away a thunderstorm is? That when you see lightning, start counting, continue counting until you hear thunder. 3 seconds equal to 1 kilometer. So quite interesting factor. And let's move to the next lesson, the world's first zero carbon city. So here we came to know about the world's first zero carbon city. It's Masdar, and it's in Abu Dhabi. We came to know the facts about this city, that it's a zero carbon city. There are no cars, and it's 100% in within, they're building this city with while keeping the factor to keep the environment safe in their mind, right? So let us see the question answers here. What are these scientific and technical words in your language? Here, zero carbon, engineering, natural resources, temperature, solar panel, solar energy, network, carbon dioxide. So translate these words into your own language, Arabic, and see the answers of question number three. You find the words in the text for the following. Very tall buildings are called skyscrapers, like the Burj Arab and the one of the building they are building in Riyadh and in Jeddah. So these are called the skyscrapers. Okay, number two is following the way things have been done for a long time. It is called tradition. Tradition, right? And very old it means ancient. The floors of the house are called stories. And to protect from the sun, it's called shade. And in place of means instead of. And the last company's places for work, it's called businesses, right? Businesses. Number seven. You can see here, answer of question number three. Then let's move on. Decide whether these statements about Masdar are true or false. So there were zero carbon cities before Masdar. No, it's false. This is the first city. which is zero carbon city, and there are no tall houses. It's absolutely true. There are no tall houses. It's a very old city. No, it's false. It's a new city. Oil is needed to produce energy there. No, it's false. It's powered by renewable energy. Yes, it's true. You can drive in the city. No, it's false. And you'll be able to live and work here. Yes, absolutely true. And you'll be able to study there as well. It's absolutely true because there is a university as well. This is the answer of question number 4. You can see. And okay, and let's see the question number 5 here. Read the comments about master, which are positive and which are negative. Brilliant. You can live, work, and go to school all in the same place. Yes, it's a positive comment. And let's improve the cities we have got instead of spending so much money on the new ones. It is a negative comment. Number 2. Number 3 here, it's I can't imagine living in a city without a car. Again, it's a negative comment about the Mazda city, and I hope the architects and engineers are going to build cities like Mazda in other places. True, it's a positive comment. In 21st century, using renewable resources has to be the answer. Number 5 is positive. And number 6, I'm not sure about the idea of living so close to the other people. I think people need space. Yes, again, it's a negative comment. All right, you can see first one is positive, second negative, third negative, fourth positive, five positive, and six is a negative comment about the zero carbon city called Mesta. Okay, so question number 6 here, there were small groups, or which of the comments in exercise 5 do you agree with? So it's up to you, over to you guys. And let's see a project detail that an eco house. What are an eco houses? Find out and give presentation of one. Here are the 3 stages. You're going to divide your presentation. The number 1 is make notes on where it is, what eco features it has, solar panels, etc., and what other special feature it has, and what you like about it. Furthermore, if you see the second stage, find some pictures to illustrate your project, like one of the picture you can see on this page. Number 3 is give an illustrated talk to the class about your eco house. So 3 that you can tell me while we'll be taking our next class. Prepare your project on time. And furthermore, your homework for today is page number 71 and 72. These 2 pages is homework for today. That's it. And thank you so much for listening. Complete your homework as well as complete the Kahoot quiz, which I've already shared in the WhatsApp group. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next class. Take care and goodbye.